Welcome to the majestic Oregon coast. Today, I'll take you through a Qigong flow that will energize and open your body, your mind, and heart. Let's begin the Pacific Coast Flow. Begin with your feet a comfortable distance apart. Gather your arms in a circle. Inhale as your arms come up, and exhale as they come back down. Now bring your palms together and step your feet out into a wide stance. Begin to shift your hips from side to side and your hands move toward the bent knee. And then finally turn your head away from your hands. Shifting your body side to side, keeping your knees tracking with your toes. If you're able to, keep your head level as you glide from side to side. Now rise up the center. With each breath, the hands move up. Each exhale, they open out and down. Backs of your hands brush lightly, and then they open outward like clouds parting. Penetrate through any blockages or clouds in your heart or mind. Now you can take one foot, step forward, and bring your hands to your center. Your leading hand will move side to side as your body shifts front to back, creating a circle. Your back hand hovers at the lower dantian, just below your belly button. Imagine you're running your hands over freshly picked acorns or the tips of tall wheatgrass, sorting the harvest. When you're ready now, switch your feet, step forward with the other foot, and repeat the same practice on the other side. moving from your center, your whole core initiates the movements. Upper body light, relaxed, and comfortable as your lower body builds power. Now come back to center. Let your arms flow up and down like ocean waves. Your feet, knees, hips are parallel. Inhale as you rise. Exhale as you sink. Body moving like liquid, flowing in waves. Imagine you're standing chest deep in the ocean, your arms floating on the surface of the waves, rising and falling with each breath. Now move to one side and back to center. Like water sloshing through a canyon, rising up the sides and carving out the middle. Make sure your feet are in a comfortable position as you rotate your torso left and right with each breath. Next inhale, the hands rise up and over your head, forming a full circle around your body. Inhale as your hands rise up. Exhale as they sink down. Your body is mostly made of water. Tap into the natural fluidity within you. On your next breath, reverse directions. four sides of this movement represents a different part of the water cycle. As you rise, evaporating like steam, floating like a cloud frozen in the air, gathering and falling like raindrops, and returning to the ocean. Inhale, open your arms wide. Exhale, sinking your hips down. Let your heart open, your mind expand, like a crane soaring over the ocean. Each breath filling your body with vital energy and fresh air. Your palms slightly down as you exhale. And tilt the palms slightly up on your inhale. Now bring your hands into a ball in front of your chest. One palm facing down and the other facing up. Expand into a circle and trade places. The top hand expands into the bottom. And the bottom circles to the top, forming a spiral as yin and yang trade places. Your arms form a circle, balancing the forces of nature, expansion, contraction, light and dark, movement and stillness, inside and outside. Balance and harmonize these dualities within you, the yin and the yang. Now gather your arms into a circle, collecting all this energy into your core. Let your hands come together at your low abdomen and breathe deeply into your belly. And as we complete this flow, take the power of the ocean with you.